Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. We shall start with some new words before moving on to sentence construction.
시간,
Which means time.
시간, 시간. 시간 있다,
Which means have time or to be free.
시간 있다, 시간 있다. 오늘 시간 있어요.
Which means do you have time today?
오늘 시간 있어요. 오늘 시간 있어요.
The sentence can also be said as a response, without finishing with a rising tone, to indicate the meaning, I have time today.
바쁘다,
Which means to be busy.
바쁘다, 바쁘다. 바빠요,
Which is the standard way to say, I am busy.
바빠요, 바빠요. 면접 시험,
Which means job interview.
면접 시험, 면접 시험. 저 오늘 면접 시험이 있어요.
Which means I have a job interview today.
저 오늘 면접 시험이 있어요. 저 오늘 면접 시험이 있어요. 잘 봐요.
Which means good luck. Explicitly asking the person to give the best attention at whatever they do to get the ideal result.
잘 봐요. 잘 봐요. 면접 잘 봐요.
Which means good luck with the job interview.
면접 잘 봐요. 면접 잘 봐요. 어때요?
Which means how about.
어때요? 어때요? 내일은 어때요?
Which means how about tomorrow.
내일은 어때요? 내일은 어때요? 좋아요.
Which means all right.
좋아요. 좋아요.
Now, we shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and your friend. Your friend has some plans to spend time with you today and asks,
오늘 시간 있어요.
do you have time today? However, you have plans of your own and respond,
미안해요. 저 바빠요. 오늘 면접 시험이 있어요.
sorry. I am busy. I have a job interview today. Your friend understood your priorities and replied,
면접 잘 봐요. 내일은 어때요?
good luck with the interview. How about tomorrow? Asking for an alternative time to catch up with you. You are free tomorrow and acknowledge your friend's request.
좋아요.
All right. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
오늘 시간 있어요. 미안해요. 저 바빠요. 오늘 면접 시험이 있어요. 면접 잘 봐요. 내일은 어때요? 좋아요. 도서관,
Which means library.
도서관, 도서관. 갈까요?
Which means shall we go?
갈까요? 갈까요? 우리 도서관에 갈까요?
Which means shall we go to the library?
우리 도서관에 갈까요? 우리 도서관에 갈까요? 한가하다,
Which means to be free or idle.
한가하다. 한가하다. 저 한가해요.
which means I am free.
저 한가해요. 저 한가해요. 같이.
which means together.
같이. 같이. 갈게요.
which means shall go.
갈게요. 갈게요. 도서관에 같이 갈게요.
which means we shall go to the library together.
도서관에 같이 갈게요. 도서관에 같이 갈게요. 그러면.
which means then.
그러면. 그러면. 쯤.
which means around.
쯤. 쯤. 만날까요?
which means shall we meet.
만날까요? 만날까요? 8시쯤 만날까요?
which means shall we meet around 8 o'clock.
8시쯤 만날까요? 8시쯤 만날까요? 좀 이르.
which means a little early.
좀 이르. 좀 이르. 8시는 좀 이르.
which means 8 o'clock is a bit early.
8시는 좀 이르. 8시는 좀 이르. 9시는 어때요?
which means how about 9 o'clock.
9시는 어때요? 9시는 어때요?
We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation. This is a conversation between you and your friend. Both of you are avid book readers, and it is finally the weekend. Your friend asks,
우리 도서관에 갈까요?
shall we go to the library? You don't have any other plans for today, and responded,
저 한가해요. 도서관에 같이 갈게요.
I am free. We shall go to the library together. Your friend tries to negotiate a suitable time for going together.
그러면 8시쯤 만날까요?
Then, shall we meet around 8 o'clock? However, you are accustomed to waking up a little late on weekends. Hence, you responded,
8시는 좀 이르고 9시는 어때요?
8 o'clock is a bit early. And how about 9 o'clock? Your friend acknowledged your request by saying,
좋아요.
we shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
우리 도서관에 갈까요? 저 한가해요. 도서관에 같이 갈게요. 그러면 8시쯤 만날까요? 8시는 좀 이르고 9시는 어때요? 좋아요.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.